Good morning, students. Myself is Yogesh Bharat, and today we'll see the standard 7th maths. And last time you already started about the third lesson, that is the HCF and LCM. And last time you are seen about how to find out the HCF. Now today we'll see the how to find out the LCM. LCM means what? That is called as a least common multiple. That is called as a what? Least common multiple. And here we want to prove one more formula is also there. They will show the relation between LCM and a HCF. Here one formula also I written, that is a HCF multiplied by LCM is equal to product of a two number. Okay, then we'll start the practice set number 13. In that one we want to find out the LCM. That is called as a, here I am showing one method, that is a common divisor method, or you know it, vertical method. We have to find out their factors. Okay, then I will show you one example of this one. See, here I taken one example, 18 and 32. I want to find out their LCM. Then here see, 18 and 32 is divisible by 2. From 2 you divide this, what will come? 9 2s are 18 and 16 2s are 32 will become. Again see here, if I now I will divide this 2, here 9 will come as it is because 2 is not divisible by 9. Now here 16, what will come here? 16 will be divisible by 8 2s are 16. Then again you divide, 9 will become as it is. And here will become what? Here will be the 4 2s are 8 will come. And again you divide continuously, you divide this with a 2, 9 will come as it is. Again here 2. And now here see, this will be the 2 is the remaining now. Okay. And this will be, again if you go for the 2 continuously, then here 1 will become, and here now you go for the 3. Now this 9 is remaining, that 9 you have to divide by 3, then 3 3s are 9 will come, and here as it is 1. Now I want to find out their LCM. When you want to find out the LCM, what to do? See here we have to take this one and we have to take this one. Okay, you multiply this number and multiply this number, will get a LCM. Then here see, 2 will come how many times? Then here 2 into 2 into 2 into how many times? 1 2 3 4 5. Then 5 times you write, and here 9 into, see here 3 will come this, and this 3 will come. Now you multiply, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and here 3 3s are 9. Now here what will be there? 8 4s are 32 into 9. Now you multiply, 9 2s are 18 will come, and again 9 3s are 27 plus 1 28. Then see, the LCM of this 18 and 32 you are getting how much? 288. Then like that way you can find the LCM of the number. Okay, and one more question I am showing. Here see, you want to find out the LCM 105 and 195. See, at a unit place both having a 5 number is there. Then I will divide this number by 5. Then here we'll see, or you can this number is divisible by 5 as well as 3 also. I will start with a 3, no problem. Then 3 3s are 9, and 1 and 5 15. Now 5 3s are 15, and again here see 18, 6 3s are 18, and 1 and 5 15. That 5 3s are 15. See what I am doing? I am dividing this 105 and 195 by 3, and here I am getting the quotient. Again we'll see 35 and 65. This is the divisible by 5 or 3. Okay, we'll divide, it is not divisible by 3. We'll be go for the 5. 5 here if you take, then 7 5s are 35, and here will come 13 5s are 65. Now you can't divide this number. Then what to do? You want to find out the LCM. LCM is equal to this number and all this number. We have to take it. 3 into 5 into 7 into 13 we have to take. Then this will become 15, and 13 7s are you want to do it. Then that will become 91, and if you multiply 91 into 15, 91 into 15, if you multiply, that number will come 1365. That is a 1365 will get. Then like this way you can, by vertical arrangement, you can find out the LCM of a number. Okay, then here this LCM you understand now. Now we'll go for the next our part. See, in our exercise number set number 13 they are given some example. Using this method you have to complete this part. And here see, one question is there, 45 and 86. You want to find out their LCM. See, 45 and 86, if you find out their factors, these both number are co-prime because their common number will come 1 only. And therefore, when you are finding the co-prime numbers LCM, that time you have to multiply this number, will get a answer of that LCM. Okay, then like this way you have to complete the practice set number 13. First question you want to complete it. Okay, now I am showing the next, that is second question I want to show, that is find the HCF and LCM of the following number and verify that their product is equal to product of given two number. Then how to do it? See here, I will show you an example. See here, I taken one example, that is 78 and 104. I want to find out. See here, first you find out their HCF, then you find out their LCM, and afterward you have to use this formula. Product of these two number is equal to HCF into LCM. Then first I will be finding out their factors 78 and 104. See, both are even number. Then this number I will divide by 2. Then what will come here? 39, and here will come 52. Okay, you know one point, that 39 and 52, or you can go for 2 also, you can continue. Here what will come here? If you divide by 2, here 2 2s are 4, and here 112, that is 6. Now here see, 39 and 26. Now again you divide by 39, will become as it is here. 2 you take, and here 13. Now here 13 and 39. See this, if you use the 13 table, 13 here you go for the 3 because 39 is divisible by 3. Now here 13 will be there, and here will become 13 as it is. Okay, now here see, 13 and 13 is remaining here. Now if you write here 13, then here both the side will come here 1 1. Then like that way here we want to continuously have to go to find out that, repeat this process and find out the quotient as many times as possible. Okay, and stop when you will get a common divisor, will get a 1. Okay, then like that way you can find out the factors of this 78 and 104. And now I want to find out the HCF. When you want to find out the HCF, that time we have to take this side number. Okay, and when you want to find out the LCM, that time you have to take both common divisor multiply by uncommon divisor you have to take. Okay, I will show you how you have to do this one. See, you can do this way also. See here, I divided by 39 this, and again 252, and these both number are coming in 13 table. That they are taken here 3s and 4s. Then afterwards see HCF, how to find out? You take this side number, will be showing the HCF, and if you take this and this all number, this side number and this side number, that will gives the LCM. Then I am getting here HCF as a 26 and LCM as a how much? I am getting, that is 312. Now I want to prove this formula. Therefore see, I am multiplying this HCF into LCM. 26 into 312. If you are doing, will get a answer will be 8112 will get. And the product of the number means whatever they are given, no, 78 and 104, that you multiply, and that answer also you are getting 8112 you are getting. And afterwards see, this both, this and this number, both it will be same or not, then this will be prove our formula, that is product of the number and a HCF into LCM, both their product will come same. Like that way you have to verify your answer. Okay, and in the next video we'll continue our next part.